What's up, guys? Do you want to know an internet side hustle that can make you over 6 figs a year that you can do from your computer? You don't need any startup money and you don't need any skill? Keep watching. And make sure you watch to the very end where I show you exactly how much money you really could be making. So the method itself is called drop servicing. Not drop shipping, drop servicing. Let me give you an example. Let's say you reach out to some businesses and say you can run a Snapchat advertising campaign for them for $800. Now hold on. I know you don't know anything about Snapchat advertising campaigns or how to run ads. And you don't need to know anything about it. So you get a business to agree to do it for $800. Then what you do? You go over to a website like Fiverr or Upwork and you hire somebody to do it for you for a cheaper price. So if you go to Fiverr and you look up Snapchat advertising campaign, look at these prices. Let's say you went with one on hiring for $50. You hired that guy to do the advertising campaign for your client. You pay him his $50 and you keep $750. So let's do the math. So you did this and scaled a little bit and got 12 clients on your book a month. That would be $9,000 a month and $108,000 a year. And this drop servicing principle can be applied to any service. Follow me for more money making tips.